going to be creating a net which we can cut out on the CAMM cutter. First thing we need to do is set up our drawing canvas. So go to Setup, Drawing, Layout, set for CNC device. Down here, click in Use Registration Marks. The CNC device has to be the Roland CAMM1 GX24. Set for A3, click OK. Got 3 dots here, which are the registration marks. Anything you draw must be within that area. Double click on the line tool. We're going to make a line which is 125 millimeters at an angle of 180 degrees. Click OK and then place your line there. Now we need to contour that line. So you click and hold, we want to select this icon and we're going to contour that first line at 125. Click OK. Go near to your line and another one appears. Now put on your attach tool, take your line, click on the top and the bottom and the same on the side. So you've now got a square. We want to repeat that square, so we're going to go to contour again, 125, OK, click, and another line appears. Attach tool is still on, take our line and attach it. So basically we've got 2 squares next to one another. Now what we need to do is add a glue tab to both ends of this square. So we're going back to our contour line. We're going to change that to 10 millimeters. I'm going to contour there and there. There's the attach tool on for the first bit. Click there and then turn it off because we want it at a slight angle. If you leave it on, it will attach to the end of the line. Attach tool back on to get the corner, like that. So let's undo that. That's what I meant by going to the corner. So leave it, attach tool on for that part, turn it off. There we go. You can set these to specific angles, but for just for this, we're just going to do it quickly. This is delete part of a path or an object. That will get rid of these extra bits and pieces. Oops. Back in. You've got to be quite close to the area that you want to delete. There we go. And now we want to make these one path because otherwise the machine will be stopping and starting. So click and shift those and then up here for make path. Yes. And the same here, click, shift, make path. Yes. Okay. Now what we need to do is change the lines that we want to be folded to a different colour. So select that line. So it's basically all the internal lines need to change to red. Now we're just going to add another element onto the front. So some font and type O. Settings. Change it to about 60 millimeters, or you can do it typographical size. OK and OK. Let's move that to the center. And we need to explode that. Continue. Now we change the color to no fill. Now when the machine cuts this, all of that will fall out, which is what we don't want. So we need to anchor parts of this shape. So using the line tool, draw a line there, and there. Use your delete part of a line to take out these extra bits. And now we're ready to cut that out on the CAMM cutter. So save your document to the J drive, and then we can cut it on the CAMM cutter.